Molla, no bambà.
Okay. We ate everything, we didn't even do the last shot. Okay. Hello and welcome to a new episode. Pasta Queen?
Pasta bro. Yeah.
We are creating a very, very delicious fried peppers recipe from the south. This is close to home. Our Nonna made it every Sunday. It's one of Agostino's favorite and one of my favorite. The only thing that I want you to get prepared for this is some red bell peppers, some olives, capers, and a loaf of sourdough bread.
I mean, even if you have yellow bell peppers, it's fine.
Yeah, we have orange, we have yellow, we have red. I mean, my favorite are obviously the red ones, and we're going to be using them to do a very quick side dish to be enjoyed with only the people you love, because the ones that you don't love shouldn't be in your kitchen. Ingredients. Let's start by preparing and cleaning our red bell peppers. There's a few tips on this. First of all, you want to get rid of any of the white parts like this. It's all gonna go. This is undigestible, it is not ripe, it is bitter when you cook it, so you're gonna get rid of it with a little paring knife. A big important tip is when you cut a pepper, don't cut it from the slippery side. So try to cut it from inside. It's a little rougher and your knife will not be sliding off your hands. Any seeds, out. They're meant to be the offspring, they're meant to go in the earth, in the soil to create new peppers. One important thing as well, since we're cooking them all at once, is to try to stay consistent with the size and width of the bell pepper cuttings, because you want them to cook all at once and all have the same consistency in cooking. I like the long strips a lot, the way they cook, the way they come out. I'm gonna show you how they look on this toasted sourdough bread. Peppers are so good, just like you are. Ago, tell them about Nonna's peppers. We eat them all the time, every Sunday. They were so good.
Down south, you have it with buffalo mozzarella.
No, but you know, you have the roasted peppers and always that kind of, you know, loaf of sourdough bread that my grandma had.
She would make like this amazing bread.
Let's get going. We start with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. When I say a little bit, for me, it's at least 2 tablespoons. So here we go.
It's more like 3 or 4.
We're gonna start this on a high flame. We wanna fry them and we want them to retain as much water as possible. We're not even putting salt because we're not wanting all the water to get out. We want them to be kind of crunchy but still fried. I mean, I don't know even how to explain it, but it's gonna be amazing. This is the moment you cannot leave, you cannot go and do your laundry or check up on your emails. No, you have to stay here, you have to stay committed. It only takes 20 minutes to make this dish. Okay, they're nice and crispy. Just, you know, you're getting that browning on top. It's time to add our olives and capers. We're almost nearing the end of this amazing recipe. Oh my goodness! We're lowering the flame a little bit. We're going to low medium right now. This is the time, since they're nice and roasty, to add your salt. If you add the salt instantly, the water will release and the peppers will be cooking in watery contents, which will make them stewy and kind of mushy. Salty time. Vai. Mamma mia! It's time for a scrunch of pepper. Oh, yes! We are toasting some bread and then we're rubbing it down with garlic cloves, raw, because we like it spicy.
Of fear.
They're of fear. They're scary gorgeous.
Just like you are.
Peppers are done. Just switch them off. They're now resting, getting all the juices, getting even better. We're putting the bread in the pan. We're letting it toast slightly with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on both sides. Now let's move them on a flat surface here. We got a beautiful cutting board. Get a raw piece of garlic. Rub it on all the way. Now remember, raw garlic, spicy. We're getting so excited. Ago is like drooling for the brother test.
Yeah.
All of the juices, the peppers, the olives, the capers, all on the bruschetta. Look at this. Now we're taking one large burrata and we're dividing and conquering across the 3 bruschettas. Spread it and add ripped basil leaves to crown it for final testing. I'm so looking forward to this.
I'm looking forward to this. Brother test! Brother test! No?
First of all, you gotta subscribe, I mean.
Yeah. I mean, if it doesn't deserve a subscription, I don't know what does.
I don't know what does. Non l'abbiamo fatto, brother.
No, I don't want the brother test.
Guys, let's do the brother test just because I'm feeling really like sharing. Because this you don't want to share.
But with the people you love.
Brother test, sure. Com'è? Non è of fear, da paura. It's so scary, gorgeous.
This is
Just like you are.
comunque buonissimo.
I mean, we gotta go. We don't have time for this.
No.
Guys, it's been a pleasure. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified of the next latest and greatest recipe. I mean, these recipes are so good. Gotta go. Love you. Stay gorgeous. Bye. A little bit crusty, a little bit roasted. No.
Conquering.
Conquering.
Conquering! È andata, raga. Questa è.
The capers, the capers.